Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is very interesting to see you again in our subject of study. It's about listening of the TOEFL. But for this meeting, we would like to discuss about the three parts about listening. It is about a long talks TOEFL strategy. Well, long talks, it is a part C from the listening. It means that the last session of the listening. Well, we see that three talks, each followed by a number of multiple choice questions, appear in part C of the listening comprehension section of the paper TOEFL test. Well, from this explanation that talks is categorized as part C from the TOEFL test, and then you are going to hear the talks. You will hear the talks and the questions on a recording. They are not written in your textbook. As usual, that you just listen, and there is no written in your textbook. So you have to listen carefully about the listening, and then you must choose the best answer to each question from the four choices that are written in your textbook. It means that from the A, B, C, or D, and then you have to answer one of the best answer. It means the right answer for your test. Like the conversation in part B, talks are often about some aspect of school life or topic currently in the news. Well, it is still about the school activities from the TOEFL. Both conversation and talks, the aspect of school life or topic currently in the news, it becomes the standard topic from the listening of the TOEFL test. Well, it is also very common for the talks to be a shortened version of lectures from course taught in American colleges and university. Okay, uh, in general, that talks into short versions. It means that just one person to explain about a topic. Then the duration it's about 2 or 3 minutes, yeah, to talk about the topic that will will be discussed from the narrator here. Okay, we'll see that. Yeah, this is the example from the paper TOEFL test. Okay, like this. Yeah, this is the topics of the talks. It is about the school activities, like uh, for example here it is about historical, historical of America. Well, the format of the listening, as usual, there is a narrator, and narrator will give the informations. uh, the narrator said question 1 through 4, listen to a talk about the settlement of America. From one topic, there is 4 questions that's connected with the topic that's discussed from the narrator. Well, we'll see here that the woman as a speaker, that just one person to explain about the settlement of America. Well, the sentence is The settling of the first farmland in Central North America was delayed, at least partly because of an error by one man. In the early 19th century, Lieutenant Zebulon Pike of the United States Army was sent to explore and chart huge expanses of land in the center of the continent. Well, the story is about uh, kedudukan ya, penempatan dari lahan pertanian yang sangat luas di Amerika Utara ditunda atau tidak ditempati ya beberapa tahun silam karena adanya kesalahan dari seorang explorer, penjelajah di sini. Penjelajah itu ya. Nah, ini namanya adalah Lieutenant Zebulon Pike yang di awal abad 19. Nah, Zebulon Pike itu adalah seorang tentara yang dikirim katanya untuk ya mengeksplorasi and chart the huge of expanses of land in the center of the continent. Nah, di sini untuk mengeksplorasi atau dataran ya, tanah yang luas di pusat benua ya di sini. When he returns from his exploration, ya, tadi setelah mengadakan penjelajahan, eksplorasi, ya di sini di benua katanya yang luas, ya. Kemudian ketika dia kembali dari penjelajahannya, he wrote a report in which he erroneously stated. Nah, dia membuat laporan yang keliru, ya, di sini tentang benua tersebut. Nah, di sini dia mengatakan bahwa the first plain in the central part of the continent were desert-like. Nah, dataran yang luas di pusat katanya bagian dari benua tersebut itu seperti gurun, ya, gurun Sahara. Misalnya seperti gurun katanya pasir dan sebagainya. Kemudian comparable, nah itu membandingkan dengan katanya comparable to Sahara in Africa. Dia membandingkan fastland tersebut dengan gurun Sahara ya, di Afrika. In reality, however, this fastland contains some of the most fertile farmland in the world. Tapi namun pada kenyataannya ini dataran yang luas tadi, dataran bentang luas itu merupakan katanya pusat pertanian yang sangat subur di dunia. Nah, itulah yang disebut dengan pertanian tersebut. Itulah yang disebut dengan ya sekarang ini adalah United States of America, negara Amerika, benua Amerika ya. Yang dijelajahi oleh Lieutenant Zebulon Pike. States as a vast desert rather than the excellent and every farmland that it was. Nah, ternyata ya tadi benua yang dikatakannya padang pasir itu adalah merupakan daerah yang sangat subur, pertanian yang sangat subur ternyata ya pada kenyataannya. This mistaken belief, nah kekeliruan yang dilakukan oleh Lieutenant Zebulon Pike ini ya dipercayai bahwa katanya kesalahan tersebut merupakan the nature of those land caused settlers to avoid the central plains for years. Kekeliruan yang dilakukan oleh penjelajah, nah ini mengakibatkan ya, jadi para pengungsi ya itu tidak mau menempati dari benua tersebut, benua Amerika tersebut selama beberapa tahun. Oke, ya. Nah, inilah merupakan talks. There is one topic of speaking that explain that's said by a person. The topic, is about the historical of American place, uh, about the settlement of America. Well, as we know that, yeah, from this talk, okay, there are four questions that connected with the topic that has been discussed here. Okay, take for example, the question number one, yeah, it is about the topic discussion. What is the topic discussion that has been explained by a narrator here? Okay, the first questions you will hear, what is the topic of this talk? Nah, ini ditanyakan apa ya tema dari percakapan ini. Oke, biasanya itu ada pada awal kalimat, ya, pada percakapan di sini. The settling of the most prominent in Central North America was delayed partly because of error by one man. Nah, ya. Nah, jadi di sini there is a topic discussion, there is a main idea, ya, from this information. Okay, what is number one? What is the topic of this talk? A. Zebulon Pike career. Okay, bukan ya, tapi Zebulon itu adalah seorang explorer, penjelajah, ya, yang a mystic that influenced the settlement of America. Oke, yang C. A report for the army, yang di the farmland. Oke, nah di sini jelas temanya di sini ya, dari apa? What is it? Nah ini ya, yang pertama pada awal percakapan, the settling of the first farmland in Central North America was delayed at last partly because of error by one man. Nah, this is the answer of the topic. The topic of the talk. Okay, what is the topic of this talk? And the question number one. Well, absolutely, yeah. The true answer, according to this information, this talk is B. A mystic that influenced the settlements of America. Well, the first paragraph, the first sentence in this paragraph, this is the answer of the topic. In the second, on the recording, you hear how did Pike describe the area that he explores. Nah, bagaimana di sini tadi Pike itu mendeskripsikan, yang menggambarkan wilayah yang telah dia jelajahi. Oke, jadi di sini ya dia membandingkan wilayah tersebut sama seperti gurun, ya, padahal itu bukan merupakan gurun, namun merupakan dataran luas yang sangat subur, ya, di Amerika. Well, the answer is, ya, how did Pike, number two, how did Pike describe the area that he explained? Of course, yeah, he explained the area like a desert, yeah. Okay, in the next paragraph, well, the central Caribbean desert like, di sini dia jelaskan, he wrote a report in which he erroneously stated. Nah, itu kekeliruan dalam menjelaskan bahwa pusat dari, ya, benua Amerika tersebut seperti dataran, ya, desert, ya, seperti gurun, dataran yang berpasir. Well, yeah, this is the answer is A, ya, as a desert. Jadi how did, bagaimana dia menjelaskan, ya, benua tersebut, dan dia menjelaskan bahwa seperti padang pasir katanya. Okay, and then Number 3, on the recording you hear, what was his area really like? Nah, namun, di sini the last paragraph, the next paragraph, this explains that ya, pada kenyataannya ya, wilayah tersebut sebenarnya itu adalah katanya it was excellent farmland. Ya, ternyata ya, di sini it was a vast desert. A, it was vast desert. B, it was covered with farm. C, it was excellent farmland. D, it was similar to Sahara. Nah, ternyata pada kenyataannya wilayah tersebut merupakan lahan pertanian yang sangat subur, ya. Tapi dia membuat pernyataan atau informasi yang keliru dari benua tersebut, terutama benua Amerika ya. Well, the last one ya, on the recording, this talk ya, tanyakan this talk would probably be given in which of the following course. Nah, dari percakapan ini temanya di sini merupakan dari bidang apa, kajian dari bidang apa di sini. Kalau kita lihat ya, kita dengarkan tadi itu menjelaskan tentang sejarah ya dari adanya benua Amerika ya yang dijelajahi oleh seorang pasukan tentara yang bernama Lieutenant Debron's Explorer. Ini menjelaskan tentang, of course, di sini tentang history ya, history of America farmlands. Oke, ya di sini in your textbook katanya agricultural science and then American history, geology of the United States and the military science. Of course, yeah, this is about American history ya, history berawalnya ya benua Amerika ya. Nah, di sini ya dari cerita ini, talks ini ya, it explains about the history of America. Well, for the next, yeah, this is a specific explanation from talks. Yeah, the specific explanation from the talks, but we have answered the questions. Yeah, this is the explanation from the answer of the talk. There are four questions which are correlated to the talk. Okay, yeah, we have discussed, and then we continue to the strategy procedure for the long talk. This is procedure for long talks, and then there is a rule clue that you have to be careful to answer the question from the talks. Nah, di sini harus hati-hati ya. Ini ada 6 petunjuk cara mengerjakan daripada long talks ya. Okay. Number 1, if you have time, preview the answer to the question. While you are looking at the answer, you should try to do the following. Nah, di sini tetap sama seperti pada hot B conversation di sini. Jadi preview, jadi pertanyaan dan jawaban ya pada lembar soal. Di situ bila mana ada waktu, jadi di review ya, dibaca sekilas. Nah, while you are looking at the answer, you should try to do following. Nah, jadi di sini ketika sudah mendengarkan, nah di sini harus katanya anticipate the topic of the talk you will hear. Jadi mengantisipasi tentang talks tersebut. Ya, apa yang dijelaskan di sini? Ya, anticipate the question for each the group of answer. Jadi di sini mengantisipasi pertanyaan masing-masing dari jumlah ya jawaban dan jumlah pertanyaan yang diajukan di sini. Oke, tadi biasanya pertama itu main idea. Oke, nah itu harus diantisipasi. Dan itu main idea biasanya disimpan di awal kalimat ada paragraf pertama atau bisa juga di akhir kalimat. Well, the second one, listen carefully to the first line of the talk. Nah, di sini harus fokus, that you have to listen carefully the first talk until the last talk, so you can make your own conclusion if you have focused to the listening skill of talk here. The first line of the talk often contain the main idea. Oke, di sini ada main idea, subject or topic of the talk, and you will often be asked to this type of question. Nah, di sini biasa ditanyakan pertama tentang apa? Berbicara tentang ide utama, gagasan pokok dari percakapan tersebut. Kemudian number 3, as you listen to the talk, draw conclusion about the situation of the talk. Who is talking? There, where or when the talk takes place, which course this lecture might be given. Nah, di sini jelas ya, you have to make the conclusions about the talks. Who is talking? Ya, siapa yang berbicara? Kemudian kejadiannya di mana? Kemudian dalam konten atau dalam ranah apa di sini? Ya, dalam mata pelajaran apa? Ya, di sini mungkin dijelaskan. And then you will often be asked to make such inference about talks. Nah, di sini Anda harus bisa menyimpulkan ya dari percakapan tersebut. Number 4, as you listen to the talk, nah, pada saat Anda mendengarkan di percakapan dari talks di sini, ya, follow along with the answer in your textbook and try to determine the correct answer. Jadi mendengarkan hati-hati dan itu lihat pertanyaan nomor 1 dan sampai nomor 4 ya pada talks tersebut. Kemudian coba berusaha untuk menentukan jawaban yang tepat dari pertanyaan tersebut. Nah, di sini dijelaskan detailed questions are generally answered in order in the talk. Nah, di sini ya ada pertanyaan secara rinci yang diberikan. Kemudian pertanyaan di sini harus dijawab kan ya. Dijawab pertanyaan tersebut, ya, jawaban tersebut itu sama dengan informasi yang ada di bacaan ya, yang dijelaskan oleh narator. Jadi apa yang didengarkan itu sama ya untuk menjawabnya. Oke, informasinya harus sama. Oke, and then number 5, you should guess when if you are not sure. Nah, di sini the last step as usual. You cannot answer all the question or one question that you think it is very difficult, so you have to make your own choice. You have to answer the question. If you are right, there is a score for you, but if you are wrong, there is no score. There is no penalty of losing the score. So you have to answer, although you cannot answer the question. Never leave any answer blank. Any answer blanks. It means that harus dijawab, tidak boleh dibiarkan kosong. Nah, ini siapa tahu jawaban Anda benar dan akan mendapat nilai. Kalau tadi dilakukan secara gambling, ya. Nah, itu kalau memang benar-benar tidak tahu langkah tersebut, ya. That's the last choice that you have to answer if you cannot understand at all, ya. The question, the explanation from the narrator about the number that has been asked, ya. to the narrator. Well, the last number 6, use any remaining time to look ahead at the answer to the question that follow. Ya, jadi kalau sudah selesai waktunya untuk listening dan you have ya still have time, don't forget ya to make a preview. Jadi jangan lupa dilihat jawaban dari awal sampai akhir nomor 1 sampai 50, atau misalnya ada bagian C ini ya itu belum dijawab, nah itu harus dilihat ya jawabannya, jangan sampai kosong dan itu harus dijawab ya. Okay, that's a procedure and tips and strategy to answer the question of the top. Well, I think that's all for today. I wish that you can understand the specific, easy explanation about strategy of listening. Yeah. Long talk yeah, to the tuple test of listening. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.